What's the meaning of culprit? Culprit. Culprit.
Culprit. Culprit. A culprit is a person who is responsible for committing a crime, offense, or fault. They are the one who is blamed and held accountable for their actions. The consequence of being identified as a culprit can be severe, including imprisonment, fines, public humiliation, and damage to relationships. The term is used in legal, political, and social contexts to denote the individual or group at fault for causing harm or negative consequences. In short, being identified as a culprit can result in serious consequences and damage to one's reputation.